What's up? What's up? Back at it again. Outside as always. I say I'm looking for food at all times. So when I was a kid, we used to eat the dandelions. We would take something, dig it up from the root, bring it in the house. My mom would take the roots, put them in a can, burn them up, I guess, char them until they were black, and then she'd make coffee out of them. She'd take the leaves and mix them in with salads. Oh, they super bitter. And turnip greens and things. And then she would take the heads and deep fry them like fried mushrooms. It used to be awesome. Just outside. Here we go. This is called an Indian strawberry or a mock strawberry. Those are really good. You can eat the leaves. You can put it in a salad. It's kind of dry. See, kind of dry and spongy. It's a little texturally challenging, but it's got a good flavor. A lot of seeds. Gonna need some floss afterwards. Gonna need some floss. It's a whole lot of blackberries out here. They haven't started fruiting yet, looks like. And I'm gonna do one more thing. I told you guys about it yesterday. I found some today. Poke salad. Pokesallet. It's edible, but only to a point. That right there, you're gonna get a bad tummy ache. But that right there is some good eating. And that right there is some good eating. That right there, it's gonna start getting a little bitter. And one final thing, just for you all to be aware of, when you're outside, everything is not your friend. So I want to show you a real quick. I found this the other day behind my friend's house, and her whole yard is full of it. Killed most of it off, but everybody needs to know these guys here, that's poison ivy. He's not your friend. Don't touch him, kill him.